Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to the official release of the Rook Mark II. This is probably one of my most favorite printers that I've designed other than Delta Flyer. I just really like the look of it. It functions really well, and this is very, very customizable based on what parts you want to use. Because it uses drag and burner tool head, you can pretty much use any extruder you want. You can use any hot end that you want. This is not Core XY, so it's even simpler for beginners to build. The CAD is really, really nice and polished. Humongous thank you to Kanrog, who put a lot of quality life features into this printer, added all of the hardware into the CAD. So if you go on to printables, there's a link in the description below, and you check out the Onshape. That's an incredible build tool because it has all of the bolts and their sizes and heat sets and all that kind of stuff. It's a really good guide to use for assembling one of these printers. Yeah, I'm very proud of this, and if you're not subscribed to Kanrog, you definitely should be. His YouTube channel will be in the description below. And I'd also like to thank everyone on the Discord who helped me fix all the errors with the bill of materials. This is still a beta printer, so you might find some errors on the bill of materials, and you might find some issues with the STL files on printables, meaning maybe they're in the wrong orientation, or maybe I've doubled up some of the parts. That's always the most tedious part of getting a printer out for release, is exporting all the STL files, orienting them for printing, and it's easy to get confused and mixed up. So again, just be cautious. This is a beta. There are people starting to print the files right now on my Discord. Definitely join my Discord if you have not. We're over 7,600 members on there. It's getting to be quite a decent sized Discord. It's incredibly friendly. There's all sorts of channels on there for 3D printers and hobbies and electronics and all that kind of stuff. So I do highly encourage everyone to join my Discord. And it's a great place to go to chat about this printer. There is a Rook Mark II channel on the Discord. You can go in there, you can chat, all that kind of stuff. I will say, on the bill of materials, I do have affiliate links on there. So that is probably one of the best ways you can support the channel, is ordering parts from the affiliate links. I now have AliExpress affiliate links are on there like normal, but I also have a link to West 3D in the United States. Basically, if you use that link, any purchases you make will help contribute to my affiliate. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I just get a little kickback from the sales. And I'm also now an affiliate with KB3D in the US. So if you're in the United States and you're building one of my printers, those are two great places to buy a lot of the parts for this build. Again, no extra cost to you. It just helps the channel. And I'm able to do crazy builds and spend a lot of time in CAD and ordering parts and all that kind of stuff for this. So I'm going to keep this pretty short and sweet. I just wanted to make an announcement video essentially saying the files are officially out. Go check out Patreon. All of the links are in the description below. I'd also really like to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this video. PCBWay doesn't just make PCBs. They offer CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding. Let's take a look at their 3D printing. Let's go ahead and add the STL for the book 32. We're going to choose a quantity of 1. Let's choose PLA, and of course we're going to go green. We can see our price here on the right, and we can go ahead and submit a request for this to be made. If you have an idea you want to see come to life, check out PCBWay.com. Again, huge thanks to PCBWay. They're just a consistent supporter and sponsor of the channel. I really hope to start using some of their printing services and CNC machining services, and maybe a PCB in the future here. I've got some plans for some stuff this year. I'll probably do like a channel update soon. I haven't done one of those in quite some time, and kind of just outline what projects am I going to be working on this year. Like I say, the Rook Mark II is officially out. There'll probably be a little bit of, work needed as people start to build this, but it's in a really good state, and I do want to start moving on to another project, which I put on the back burner for a very long time, but I'm excited to get that started. But time pending, I have a lot of stuff I want to accomplish this year, a lot of projects, a lot of printer builds, and some other non-3D printer projects that I want to get done. Still 3D printing related, just they won't be 3D printers. So again, check out my Discord. If you have any questions or anything about this printer, that's the best place to find it. That's the best place to get help. There's not going to be a manual coming out for this anytime soon. I do know that Paul has pretty much finished the Delta Flyer manual, so look out for a release video on that. That's going to be a massive update to Delta Flyer. And I just want to say thanks everyone for being a member of this community. It's grown a lot in the past. I'm looking forward to growing it in the future. And it's just a great place to hang out, chat with all of you on my Discord, chat with all of you in the comments on my YouTube channel. So again, thanks again, and I'll catch you all on Discord.